My name is Rick Renner, and today I want to talk to you about my friend Bob Yandian and his brand new book called The Grace of Healing. But first I want to say something about Pastor Bob. Pastor Bob has been my friend for decades. He was a mentor, he is a mentor, he's a friend. I just love Bob Yandian, and I'm so grateful for his relationship in my life. Decade after decade after decade, he is a real man of God that is committed to the integrity of the scriptures and to the moving of the Holy Spirit. But recently, Pastor Bob wrote a brand new book called The Grace of Healing, and he asked me to write the foreword. And today I want to talk to you about that book. When I read Pastor Bob's new book, The Grace of Healing, I sat in my chair in my house in Moscow and literally laughed out loud. Not because it's funny, but because it is so refreshing. It brought so much joy to my heart. By the time that I got to chapter 3, I felt so invigorated by what I was reading, because Pastor Bob's approach to healing is so sound and so sensible, and I believe when you read it, it will have the very same impact on you. You know, over the years, I've read a lot of books about healing, a lot, but I have never read one like Pastor Bob's The Grace of Healing. That book is simply amazing. I'm telling you this because I want you to order your copy. In fact, you should order several. It is definitely a book you're going to want to share with your friends and with your family. Anyone that needs healing, anyone that has a question about healing or why they haven't been healed or what they need to do to be healed. Wow, this book is so spiritual and so practical. It is so hands-on. The Grace of Healing. You need to order your copy today.